Okay, well, it seems I just had my first reverse record experience here at Crazy Ed's Bomb Shelter. So I filmed that thing where I said I'm going to go out and smoke a cigarette and then come back. I did smoke that cigarette and I did come back, and I did believe that I was recording the next thing I said I was going to record, but it turns out that didn't happen. So, anyway, take two, I guess. This is part of what it takes to be taken seriously as a creator. You gotta learn from your mistakes. Oh, by the way, I'm guessing, since I'm shooting not in selfie mode, guessing that y'all can see the aluminum foil on the wall behind me. Now, that is not to stop nuclear radiation in the event that we get bombed. What it is, that is my, I call it my seriousness foil. Because when you're a YouTuber, when you start taping foil up on your walls, people start taking you seriously, and I'll explain why. In the film and TV industry, this is what we refer to as a bounce. It's a reflective surface. It's going to take whatever light that is already present in the room and reflect it in this direction. So, for instance, as you can see, my ceiling fan light there, and if you were to work out the angle, you can see how that light bounces off of that reflector and right onto my beautiful face when I'm sitting there on that couch. So, this is my seriousness foil, because when you start doing shit like this, people start taking you seriously. They start saying things like, dude, seriously, we gotta talk about Edward, and I think he has a serious problem, and that man obviously has some serious issues, and guys, seriously, this could be a symptom of a serious problem. So, with that being said, anyone who sees this, you are all now free to take me seriously. You've seen the evidence for yourself. I am now a serious YouTuber. Suck on that. But now for the thing I actually said I was gonna do. You know, if you stick around long enough, I almost always do get to the point in my own special way. So let's see here. Let's fix my framing, because my framing was dog shit before. I think my framing is a little bit less dog shit now. Okay, I just gotta keep my head. I just gotta remember to keep my head like kind of in this general area. I think, like, I looked at what was behind where I want my head to go, and I think it's pretty much there. I think I'm probably not out of frame if I sit like this. Yeah, so anyway, because I forgot to hit record, you guys missed me laying out the final little bit of geometry here. We got corner, 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 corner. We got center point, and I've decided to start laying my tiles along these two lines here. And so these are going to be my lines that I sort of treat as being the right ones. And all of the other squares and all of the other lines will be placed relative to these. So I'm really happy with the microphone on this camera. I don't know if you can hear it now. But it actually can pick up the sounds of the brush, like brushing the glue onto the surface. It's really cool. This square must have a blob of glue or something on it. It's not sitting flush. That's irritating. sit flush. It's just fine. Just that one. I don't feel anything. Yeah, if that continues to be like a big problem for all of them, I might have to just rethink how I'm attaching them. Or I might just have to manage my expectations and accept some level of imperfection, which is my least favorite thing to do. I really hope it doesn't come to that. It's okay. I took my anti-anxiety pills. It's okay. I took my anti-anxiety pills. It's okay. I took my anti-anxiety pills. It's okay. Remember, kids, things are okay when you take your anti-anxiety meds. I took my anti-anxiety pills. It's okay. This is starting to look like a beautiful chessboard to me. To me, this is starting to look like a beautiful chessboard. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to flip it around this way. I'm going to just flip it around that way, just like that. So now it's the easy part. I mean, now it's just alternate, just push them up next to the one next to it. White, black, white, black. And as long as I start with the right color, this is pretty hard to mess up. I hope, because these are all roughened on the bottom, even though I'm just using some little watered down Elmer's glue, I hope it'll give enough stick that they'll stick and stay stuck. Hiccups for some reason. Maybe it's this new stuff they got down at the gas station. Maybe this strain makes me hiccup. assuming this side is done. Is that a row, a rank, a file? I know in chess they have like special names for what stuff is called. I think these squares are just a hair smaller than 2 inches because I'm looking at my outline and it looks like it's going to be about 1/4 of an inch smaller on each side. So I think when they say these tiles are a 2-inch mosaic pattern, I guess what that actually means is they're 2 inches on center, measuring from the center of the grout to the center of the next grout over. So just in case anybody is wondering and using about these, wondering about using these 2-inch tiles, they're great and they are very uniform. But do watch out for that. Gosh, look what I just almost did. Oh my goodness, look what I just almost did. For some reason, I had the Prince Ali song from Aladdin stuck in my head. Instead of paying attention to what freaking color of tile I was picking up, my brain was going, Prince Ali, fabulous, he, highly en bois, strong as 10 regular men, definitely. Like, literally, while I was sitting here, you guys just saw it, while I was sitting here concentrating on this, my brain just went, nope, this is not very exciting. Prince Ali, fabulous, he, highly en bois. This is how I know I must be autistic or something. Like, normal people don't, like, that doesn't happen to normal people. You know what I mean? Or something. Autistic or something. Anyway. Let me get the rest of my stones. Okay, so here's our center line. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Yes. This is going to be the A1 square. That's always supposed to be a dark square. And of course the corresponding square on the other corner also will be a dark square. So enough of my yapping. Let's get to visual ASMR. Ooh. So relaxed. Future people and me in the future Twitcher and YouTube people watching, do you guys feel relaxed yet? I hope so. Okay, starting with a white square, because that is the color that's supposed to go there. Dark one. I guess it's close enough. Okay, just 2 rows then. Maybe I'll do like I did before. Just follow the center line. Note to self and note to others, I think Elmer's glue maybe stains sandstone. So if you do this exactly the way I'm doing it in future, watch out for that. What's up with this little line right there? Somehow I let something get askew. Done. Three. God, look what I almost did. Huh. Three more pieces. looks like a beautiful chessboard to me. Now let me go get my chessboard set up. I can't find them.